Hi everyone and welcome to SoundBlab in 2018. This is just a quick channel update to let you know what you can expect to come in 2018 on my channel. I have many new exciting speaker and audio build projects and interesting product reviews planned, and I can't wait to share them with you during the course of this year. If you have a project that you would like to see me design and build, please mention it in the comment section below and I will pick a project to work into the 2018 schedule. Thank you to everyone that has been subscribing and supporting my channel since I started in 2016. I really did not expect it to grow to where it is right now. If you would like to support me further, please go to my newly launched Patreon page where I'll be sharing some behind the scenes project updates. You will get early access to some of my videos and get access to project build plans if you become a patron. I will leave a link to my Patreon page in the description below. I look forward to be sharing my first project of 2018 with you in the upcoming week, so subscribe now and click that bell to be notified of new uploads. Until next time, adios.